Okay, so what we have here is the assembly and installation of a double side vent screen, or 4-foot side vent screen. So inside your box, you're going to have a small instruction page, a bag of general hardware, the screen itself, which we can actually put off to one side for now, and then a package containing the flashings that will form the frame of the side vent screen. Your side pieces, those are fairly straightforward. They're just mirror images of each other, one to the left, one to the right. The easy ones to mix up are the top and the bottom pieces of the screen. So this one here is your bottom. You can see there's 2 holes in this flange, and there's a notch cut out of the center of the bottom flange. The top has 2 holes in this flange. It still has the notch in the middle, but it has an additional pair of holes on either end. Each corner is going to use 2 of these small nut, bolt, and washer combinations. So once you have 3 of the 4 sides put together, just drop your screen into place before you go ahead and attach that 4th side. So once you have the screen frame fully assembled and the screen in place, we need to tack that screen into the frame. So your hardware pack would have come with these 1/2-inch screws just to tack the screen to the frame right through these pre-cut holes. All right, and there you have it. So what we'll be doing here is installing the double wide or 4-foot wide side vent screen. One thing I do highly recommend doing before you install this screen is make sure your automatic opener is opening and closing at the temperature you want it to. Once these screens are installed, you don't have access to that opener without removing the screen. You can do it as soon as you install the greenhouse, but I do recommend waiting just a little bit to make sure the greenhouse is functioning the way you want it to before you go and block it off with the screens. So the first step in installing these screens is to just loosen off this 1 bolt in the middle of the vent frame bottom. And then when you go to put the screen in place, it's going to fit right between the bolt tracks on both sides of the vent. So it just fits right into place, just like that. And then that bolt that you just loosened off can then be slid into place to hold the screen while you do the rest of it. So the screen's not moving. Your hardware package will have come with a couple of these little self-tapping screws. So I actually recommend using a 9/64 drill bit just to pre-drill that hole, so it's a little easier to get your screw in place. And there you have it, one fully assembled side vent screen.